Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to see round 2 Cognizant On-Campus Placement 2025 Aptitude Assessment direct questions. Okay, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Before going into the assessment, these are the direct questions which are asked in 2025. Okay, in January we have given this exam. Okay, let us going. Quant assessment. First question is, a fair coin is tossed at 9 times. What is the probability of getting head at least once? Okay, this is the questions and these are the given options. Okay, before going into the solutions, if you are going to practice this Cognizant, pause the video and try to answer the question and let us see the explanation. The probability of getting a head at least once is complement of probability of getting number of heads at all. Okay, right? And the probability of getting no heads, that means if you are going to calculate at least head once, right? So first consider calculating no heads at all. Okay, p of no heads is 1 by 2 power 9, that is 1 by 512, and therefore the probability of getting at least one head is equals to total minus no heads, that is 511 by 512, right? And the probability is equals to 511 by 512, and the correct option is option B, right? This is the option and this is the explanation. If you want, have a screenshot for this one. And second question, a company sells refrigerator on 20% profit margin. If selling price of the gadget is $240, what is the cost price? Okay, company sells refrigerator on 20% profit margin. Okay, if selling price of the gadget is 240, then what is cost price they are asking, and these are the options given below. Before going to the explanation, pause the video and try for it. If you find the solution, then view the explanation. Explanation is here. Selling price is $240, right? Profit margin is 20%. Profit margin is calculated as selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. And rearranging the formula with respect to the cost price, because we need cost price, right? So selling price is equals to cost price into 1 plus profit margin by 100, and this way you are going to get the cost price. Okay, the cost price is $200, so the correct option is D. Okay, the correct option is D. And in this series we are going to see all the aptitude questions which are asked in Cognizant round 2. If you feel this video as informative, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Thank you.